Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing and showing you the Multi-Device K380 for Mac Logitech keyboard. So if you're going back to school, or if you're already in school, or if you're someone in an office that needs a cool keyboard for the Mac, for the iPhone, or for the iPad, here is one for you. This will switch between 3 separate devices with these buttons at the top. It comes with 2 AAA batteries that last for an incredible 24 months of use. So that is 2 years of use with this keyboard. This keyboard works with macOS 10.15. It works with iOS 13 or above and iPad OS 13.1 or above. So you just use these switches right here digitally and it will switch the devices, no problem. And we like it because it works with iPad OS and with the iPhone. So if you need to type out some emails with your iPhone and don't want to use the screen keyboard, you can definitely use one of these. I really like how the keys feel. I would actually prefer this to the keyboard on my laptop, and especially my older MacBook Pro. This is a much nicer feel. Or if you just want to put your computer somewhere on a desk and use this in your lap, this would be much easier as well. This is Bluetooth technology, no dongle needed, and they give you a quick start guide on how this works. So it's pretty simple. It's pull out the tab from the batteries, select the first one that you want to connect to the computer, and then you can start connecting to the other devices. So it's really 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps, and you can use it on multiple devices. This is the Multi-Device K380 for Mac Logitech keyboard. Perfect for back to school or really anytime you need a new keyboard.